I am not in the mortgage business. You may say, what do you mean you're not in the mortgage business? I'm in the lead generation business. My goal is to get as many leads as I can, not for myself, but for my partners. Because if I get leads for my partners, guess what happens? The rest takes care of itself. Does that make sense? I'm going to show you how you can take one lead, give it to 10 people, and those 10 will give you 10 back. How's that math? And guess what? It doesn't cost you any money. So in a market that's slow, which by the way is not the case, and if you buy into that, you're making a big mistake because it's just not true. Example of that is I have a gentleman who works for me, and he went from 05 to 06. I showed him what to do. He increased his business 234%. Who wants to do that? Anyone? Now, I got to be honest with you guys. Last year I was here, lots of energy. Someone told me in the back there, they go, you know, I heard that mortgage reps have a lot of energy. So we need a lot of energy in here. So when you clap, make it heartfelt, because guess what? It'll make you feel good. You're going to go out of here and write more business. Now, why is this my best year ever? I'm going to refer to my notes. First of all, it's my best year ever, not because I'm doing more business than ever before, because that's not the case. It's my best year ever because I'm going to do the same that I did last year. Now, the industry's down a little, but I'm at par to where I was a year ago, which is awesome for me. And I'm really excited about that. Now, the byproduct of that is it allows me to continue to reinvest money into my business so it grows. Because all I need to do is hang in there, stay in the game, and guess what's going to happen someday? When it pops, who wins? We win, right? Yes? Oh, come on, guys. All right, so we're going to win. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm also mastering the art of networking. I'm going to teach you simplistic, real-life, loan officer stuff that you can use on the street. I am no better than anyone in this room. I just write loans, and I love what I do. And I network my brains out, and I work really hard, which I know all of you do here. Now, one of the things I've also done is I really have a business plan. I had a plan, kind of, sort of, and I had goals, and I wrote it all down. I came here last year, got a plan, and I monitor it every day. And if you don't monitor it every day, you're going to kid yourself. Let's get into what has made this year for me my best year ever. Now, we talk about things. Are we good? Okay, networking. There's my definition. The exchange of information or services among individuals, groups, or institutions, specifically the cultivation of productive relationships for employment or business. That's technical, right? What's reality? Here's networking. Here's what networking is. Get a lead, give it to someone else that you can help your customer with. So if you have a client that needs an accountant, a financial planner, a realtor, a plumber, if you give those leads out, let's deal real world life, guess what happens? You'll get leads back. Does that cost you any money? No? Yes or no? Okay, if it doesn't cost you any money, you're going to be willing to do it? Right? So you're going to now not have to spend money to make money, and you'll get more business from that than anything else. All the programs you can buy are great, and you have to have a lot of education, but what you need to really do, you have to network. And that's what's made my business really strong this year, because I constantly am trying to get other people business. Because you have to understand, remember, I'm not a loan officer. What I want to do now more than anything else is just provide as many leads to as many people as possible. Because guess what? Having been brought up by a very nice Italian mother, I know about guilt. Right? I know about guilt. So I can get them to give me business back because they want to, because I produce. And I'm going to show you how we do that. So if you properly network and really make a list of the people you want to give business to, and your whole mission should be, you're sitting with a client, and you say, okay, they need this, they need this. You should be taking notes during the application. They need all these different things, and when they need those things, and you provide them cards or numbers or references for those things, what will happen? How much did it cost you? It cost you nothing. Number one, you gave goodwill, you did the right thing by someone, and the consumer goes, what a nice guy or gal. They helped me get information that's going to help our family. Do you think I have a problem with rates? No. Do you think I have a problem with leads? No. I don't have to go on the road and get leads, although I do, because you stick to the fundamentals and make it real.